Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Binance. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Let's go over to Binance and make sure your Binance app is updated and your Binance account is verified. At the right at the down side, you're going to see portfolio, which means you are in Binance Lite. So let's switch over to Binance Pro. Let's go over to the up side. You're going to see a yellow icon. Let's go over to there, and over at the down side you're going to see Binance Pro. So we have to switch from Binance Lite to Binance Pro. So let's go over to Binance Pro. Let me click it, and it say welcome to Binance Pro. And at that particular side, at the right at the down side, you're going to see wallets. So what you have to do now is for you to go over to wallet. Let me go over to wallet, and over here make sure you are in exchange. You're going to see exchange and web3, and at the down side is showing deposits, withdraw, buy and transfer. And since you are not buying or doing transfer or withdrawing anything here, so what you have to do, let's go over to deposits. Yes, and make sure you're in exchange and not web3. You have to be in exchange. And let's go over to deposits. You can see it over at this place. Here is the coin, is the trending coin. Yes, so you can find any coin which you want here. And in case you can't find it or you are finding it difficult, you have to go over to the search coin over there, so you can search the coin which you want. So I'm going to search USDT, and you can see it over here. So let me go over to USDT. Let's go over to it, and over here it said choose network. You can see a lot of network here, and you have to be careful when you are choosing network. They have Tron network, Ethereum network and Solana network. You have to be careful about the network you are choosing, because you choosing the wrong network, which means your coin is going to be lost. It's going to cause a serious problem. Since we are here for Ethereum, look at it over here, ERC20. You have to make sure your network is corresponding with other person's network, so you make mistake. Over here is to copy your wallet address. Yes, for me to copy the wallet address at the deposit address, you're going to see number there, and by the right there, number alphabet, you're going to see a copy icon there. Yes, over there. So what you have to do is for you just to tap it, just tap it. You're going to see copy to clipboard. Yes, which means you're able to copy your wallet address. Or at the save and share address, which means you can save it and also share it. Let me go over to save and share. You can share it on Instagram, Facebook, or you can save it. Let me go over to more. Yeah, and you can share it to WhatsApp too, or X, Instagram. And if you show that, you're going to see save image, which means you can able to save it to your gallery. He said Binance could like to gain access to your photo. You have to say okay for you to able to save the image to your gallery. And the best step, for the best one for you to take is for you to copy it. Yes, so you won't make any mistake at all. You just have to copy your wallet address. So guys, this is the end of this video. I've been able to show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Binance. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.